Hi, Bulldogs. It's Mrs. Clayton from Career Development Services. Just want to walk you through a couple of quick steps to make sure you're clear about how to access your class on Monday and or Tuesday to get to the Youth Motivation Task Force Outreach Program, which is going to be hosted on the Whova platform. So you should have received an email from CDS via handshake.com, and it includes live links to everything. So, first of all, you're going to register with the Hoover site. Now, if you're using a desktop or laptop, you'll just go to the Hoover website. But if you're using a phone or a tablet, you're going to need to download the Hoover app, which you can get by scanning on one of these QR codes. Now, in addition to your classes, we're having on the Hoover platform 15-minute mock interviews and resume critiques where the consultants who are speaking to all the classes on Monday and Tuesday will be volunteering to provide feedback. Some of them have also signed up to be a mentor. So be on the lookout for that and for the link to a survey. Now, when I click on the register here, I'm already registered. So one thing I just want to point out is that it's going to ask you for a password. And the password is 2021 uppercase YMTFO for outreach. So 2021 uppercase YMTFO, and then spell out outreach. The rest of the letters are in lowercase. All right. So once you do that, either via their website or by the QR code to get to the Apple or the Apple app or the Google Play Store, then you're going to go, it's going to take you to the Hoover website, which I'm going to now show you. So here's the Hoover website, which you should see. And the key thing for you to focus on is the left side, which is where the navigation is. And the most important thing is the agenda. And so if your class is held on Monday, the first thing I want you to note is that we have a help desk that you can come to anytime between 7:30 and 7:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. You can also come in there and look for some consultants. Think of it as the virtual CDS office. But as far as your classes go, you can scroll down on that particular day of your class and look for your instructor's name. The other thing that you could do is type your professor's name, and it should come up for all of those. And so if you're taking that class on Tuesday at 8 o'clock or on Tuesday at 9:30, you would click view session at the time of your class. And once you click on the link, which is not going to be live until the actual class starts, basically you're going to be going into a Zoom room. Okay. And so you're going to be viewing it as an attendee. And so one thing that you can also do with that is add it to your agenda, which I have done, but I'm going to show you where you can do that. So you'll get to classes, and when you add it to your agenda or the programs, like I mentioned, this is on Sunday, but on Monday at 2 o'clock, we have the mock interviews. If you find 2 o'clock, you can put that on your agenda. So when you get to the top and you click your agenda for Monday, it'll show you the things that you signed up for. So here are classes perhaps that you signed up for. And the same thing would be the case for Tuesday. Here are your classes. And then all you have to do is view on the session. So it's pretty straightforward, just focusing on the agenda. The most important thing is getting into the system and getting registered. And then it's a pretty straight shot. And so if you have any questions, let us know. If you can get into the system, that would be very helpful. But if you can't, send someone an email. But I encourage you to start early so that if you run into any obstacles, you won't be late for class. So that's it, Bulldogs. Hope to see you next week. Go Bulldogs.